Guess who just turned 8 weeks old? These two little girls right here just turned 8 weeks old. Actually, they turned 8 weeks old yesterday, but I forgot to record it. And also news for one of them, the white girl, is going to be adopted tomorrow. So it's just gonna be Mocha right here, the tortoiseshell right here. And unfortunately, you might be wondering, where's the orange kitten? Unfortunately, he didn't make it. If you can see these blankets right here, he's kind of under the blankets, so he's no longer with us. So we just have these three, not these three, these two. That one is gonna be rehomed, but that one right there is gonna stay. Milo's being a little grumpy right now. Huh, Grumpy Pants? Hi. Can I help you? You want your big Puss in Boot size? Yeah, that's pretty much the update. They're already 8 weeks old, so they should be ready to go soon. Well, one of them is. One of them will be ready to go soon. Tomorrow, actually. So it'll just be Mocha. Mocha and the rest of them here. What are you doing, Grumpy Pants? What are you doing, Grumpy Pants? You being grumpy? They're playing.